Hi everybody, Johnny here. I hope you're having a great day. You can find more good math at jmathpage.com. Today, we're looking at multiplication with funny animals, and we're looking at the 4's, and we're just beginning with the 4's. Let's get started. Hello everybody. What about this one? 1 times 4 is 4. Say it with me. 1 times 4 is 4. Another one. 2 times 4 is 8. Say it with me. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Say it with me. 3 times 4 is 12. Bye everybody. Gotta go find a tree to climb. Who do we have now? Oh, hello. How are you today? And what do you have to say? 4 times 4 is 16. Say it with me. 4 times 4 is 16. Something else? 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Say it with me. 5 times 4 is 20. And we know what comes next. After 5 it must be 6 times 4 is 24. Say it with me. 6 times 4 is 24. Goodbye, kitty. Oh, here you are. Hello, bunny. What do you have to say? 7 times 4 is 28. Say it with me. 7 times 4 is 28. And next, of course, 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. All right. What else do you have to say? 9 times 4 is 36. Say it with me. 9 times 4 is 36. Bye-bye, bunny. Who do we have now? Oh, hello. And what do you have to say? 10 times 4 is 40. Say it with me. 10 times 4 is 40. Oh, you think we should start from the beginning again? That sounds like a good idea. Let's do that. 1 times 4. Do you remember how much 1 times 4 was? What do you remember? 1 times 4 is 4. Say it with me. 1 times 4 is 4. Two times 4, how much? 2 times 4 is 8. Say it with me. 2 times 4 is 8. Oh, you have to go run and chase something? Bye-bye. Who's up next? Hello. What do you have to say? Oh, you say that 3 times 4 is something. 3 times 4 is how much? 3 times 4 is 12. Say it with me. 3 times 4 is 12. What about this? 4 times 4. 4 times 4, how much? 4 times 4 is 16. Say it with me. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4? Oh, how much is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is 20. Say it with me. 5 times 4 is 20. Goodbye, friend. Who do we have now? Hello, friend. And what do you have to say? 6 times 4. How much is 6 times 4? 6 times 4 is 24. Say it with me. 6 times 4 is 24. And 7 times 4? How much is that? 7 times 4 is 28. Say it with me. 7 times 4 is 28. Eight times 4? How much? 8 times 4 is 32. Say it with me. 8 times 4 is 32. Oh, you say you have to go somewhere and that a friend is going to follow you? Oh, here's another friend. Hello. And what do you have to say? 9 times 4 is how much? 9 times 4 is 36. Say it with me. 9 times 4 is 36. And we have another one, don't we? Which one is this one? There it is. Last one. 10 times 4. How much is 10 times 4? 10 times 4 is 40. But you probably already knew that. We've gotten a lot of help with our multiplication of 4's, haven't we? I do hope this has been helpful. Remember, if you want to practice some more, you can watch the video once more and see all of our friends. Have a good day.